Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn for HR roles using SHRM content strategy. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Begin with your profile photo. Choose a professional headshot that reflects your current career goals in HR. Next, update your current job title. Use specific keywords related to HR roles, such as HR manager or talent acquisition specialist. After that, revise your summary section. Incorporate SHRM content strategies by highlighting your HR expertise and relevant experiences. Focus on your passion for human resources and how it drives your career. Now, move on to your experience section. List your previous HR roles in reverse chronological order. Use bullet points to detail your responsibilities and accomplishments. Include any specific SHRM certifications or training you've completed. Next, emphasize your skills section. Add key HR skills such as employee relations, recruitment, and performance management. Be sure to use terms recognized by SHRM. Consider adding a featured section. Showcase any articles, presentations, or projects related to HR. Highlight your contributions to the HR community. Now, optimize your LinkedIn profile for search. Incorporate relevant keywords from SHRM resources throughout your profile. This will increase your chances of appearing in recruiter searches. Connect with fellow HR professionals, recruiters, and industry leaders on LinkedIn. Engage with their content to stay visible within your network. Lastly, regularly update your profile. As you gain more experiences and skills, reflect them in your LinkedIn profile. This will ensure your profile remains relevant and appealing to potential employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.